started with this delicious Dominican stewed chicken wings. I have here about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings already cleaned with vinegar and lime juice. We're going to start to season it with 1 tablespoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of ground Dominican oregano, ground black pepper to taste. Let's add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And I'm also adding this goya, packet, culantro, and achote just to add some color. Let's add our vegetables. I have here 3 garlic cloves, celery, red onions, and red and yellow bell peppers to your liking and to your taste, of course. And all my vegetables are pre-washed. Let's add it to the bowl and let's start mixing it very well. Alrighty, now we are ready to start cooking these chicken wings. In my pan or my pot, I added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and I also added 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is gonna add color to our chicken wings. So I just let the sugar caramelize for a little bit. I'm adding my chicken wings right now, one by one. Make sure you don't burn yourself. We're cooking right now at medium-high heat. We're gonna cook this for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, I am just moving and mixing the chicken wings. That way the other side can cook as well or have some color. We're gonna cook this for 8 more minutes. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the seasoning that we used to season our chicken wings that stayed in the bowl, like all the vegetables, all of that good stuff into the pot. So good. Let's mix a little bit and now we're ready to add 1 cup of water. Guys, this recipe is so quick and so easy and so delicious. We're also going to add half a cup of pasta sauce or tomato sauce. We're going to mix this very well. And now we're ready to cook for 35 minutes on medium heat. After the 35 minutes, our delicious Dominican stewed chicken wings are ready to enjoy. Now, of course, you can serve it with tostones or white rice, moro. Look how delicious, super juicy. I hope all of you guys enjoy this recipe and I'll see you next time.